Good morning, Gandhi class. I trust that you're all safe and well. What a strange end to the year. It's been a strange year as it is, and it's even a stranger ending. But unfortunately, that's just the way things are at the moment, which means that we need to stay at home and keep ourselves safe. Even when school ends on Friday, we still need to make a conscious effort to stay at home as much as possible. And we need to keep ourselves away from the public as much as possible as well. So it's a shame, but it is what it is and it's out of our control. So on that note, I'll go through our objectives for today. So for today's lesson, you're going to be doing some maths. And for maths, you're going to be multiplying fractions by integers, which are whole numbers. And then before you go on to that, you'll have an arithmetic starter, just as you did yesterday. So you need to complete the arithmetic starter before going on to that. So for the arithmetic starter, I would like you to just go through the questions, just have a go at them, just as we've been doing in class, and then have a look at the answers and you can mark them yourself. Or if you prefer, you can even send it to me and I'll mark that alongside the rest of your work. And then go on to watch the video at the link I've put in the email, which talks through the lesson just as I would do in class, and then complete the worksheet that is also attached to the email. And please do send me your work. I do like to have a look at it as well and just mark it and send you any feedback. And then for English, we have talked about our new book, which is going to be Goodnight, Mr. Tom, next half term. So there is a video which I want you to watch and just make some inferences about the book and get some background knowledge on where the book is set and so on and so forth. So then once you've made a few predictions about what the story is going to be about, what it's going to cover, you're going to generate your own questions. So using the 5 W's, who, when, what, why, when, where, and create those questions based on the story. And then you're going to have a go answering some questions together. And then I want you to have a go at the end, writing down what is meant by the blitz that is explained in that video. So I'd like you to explain what is meant by the blitz. Then for history, I'd like you to understand the causes and effects of World War II. So I've put a little video link. Yeah, you get to watch videos as part of your learning. How cool. So I'd like you to watch the video link, and then I want you to answer the questions on World War II to the best of your knowledge. Okay? So then once you've got through all of that, I would like you to create some Christmas crafts. So I put a link in the video, in the email, just with some Christmas craft ideas that you might want to do at home with things that you find around the house anyway. And if you haven't got any of those items, you can always improvise. It doesn't have to be just as the video is. So create some Christmas crafts and just enjoy this festive time, just as we'd be doing at school. We'd be doing probably about English and maths in the morning, and then we'd be going on to do some Christmas activities in the afternoon. So you can pretty much keep that routine going whilst you're at home for these last few days. And expect an email from me tomorrow. I hope you have a lovely day, and if you have any questions or any queries, feel free to email me at the Year 6 email address, where I will be awaiting your emails.
So, as I mentioned earlier, this is the email that you should have received, which tells you exactly what you need to do. It goes through the learning intention and the links and the work that I'm expecting to see. You'll see the attachments on the email. So you can see for history, you'll need to understand the causes and effects of World War II. Christmas crafts, as you can see there's a link there for you to create some simple Christmas craft ideas. Special shout outs go to these children who have sent in some amazing work, and I'm super proud of the work they sent in, and they should be too. So special shout out to Mardi for his brilliant work, especially his maths. Well done to Patrick for your amazing work. Well done to Dua, who's also submitted some brilliant work, and I wouldn't expect anything less from all of you, so well done. Special shout out to Maura for her brilliant work. Love her newspaper article. Also love your maths work that you've completed. And a super shout out to Evelina. Very, very detailed news report. So well done to all of you. Here you can see some of the work that's been sent in. So we've got the Hoculus oculus, which is our new species that has been discovered. Our bird that can see both has one diurnal eye and one nocturnal eye. So it can see during the day and the other eye helps it to see at night. Brilliant news article on the discovery of the oculus. And you can also see on the left here some brilliant artwork done yesterday. So well done, Evelina. Here you can see some work by Dua and by Mora. Well done to both of you. And well done, Mardi. Well done to Patrick. This is amazing. And Maura, again, love your news article. So well done to all of you. I look forward to seeing some more brilliant work today. Remember to email your work to me at the Year 6 email address, which is yr6@grange.harrow.sch.uk. And remember that education doesn't just take place at school. Education takes place every day, everywhere, in everything that you do. So use this time wisely so we don't fall behind in our learning, because we know that education is the passport to the future and tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. So stay focused, keep up with your learning. We've just got a few more days left and then you can take a break. Have a lovely day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.